Are you struggling to lose weight? Tried countless diets and workout regimes, yet stuck at the beginning? Welcome, dear friend, to a scientifically supported guide for effective weight loss. Let's tackle a prevailing myth. Lightning fast weight loss equals triumph. No, focus on consistent, gradual weight loss. Set your sight on shedding 1 to 2 pounds weekly. This rate is not only healthier but more maintainable long-term. Next, we turn to the two key components of weight loss: diet and exercise. Fundamentally, prioritize quality over quantity in your diet. Choose nutritious foods like fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. These ensure essential nutrients and curb hunger, minimizing the lure to consume unhealthy, fattening foods. For your exercise, select an enjoyable, sustainable routine. This could be walking, swimming, or strength training. Choose an activity that you can commit to. Consistency is the key here, so aim for regular, moderate-intensity sessions. For at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity activity on most days of the week. Just as vital as diet is the role of sleep. Various studies reveal that lack of sleep can significantly contribute to weight gain. This occurs due to a change in hunger hormones instigated by sleep deprivation, which in turn amplifies the desire for high-calorie foods. It's crucial then to ensure your sleep duration ranges from 7 to 9 hours on a daily basis. Consider seeking professional guidance. A certified expert can offer custom advice and support. They'll assist you tackle hurdles and keep your spirits high, helping you navigate challenges and stay motivated. So, to summarize, be patient, consistent, choose nutrient-rich foods, work out often, sleep well, take professional help if needed. Understand, weight loss is not a race, but a marathon. It demands patience, resilience, and a daily commitment to health. We appreciate your company in this quest for a healthier, happier lifestyle. Keep checking for more proven techniques to help you reach your fitness targets. Until our next meeting, keep being active, keep eating right, and keep having faith in yourself. You've got this. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it. Subscribe to our channel for regular fitness advice. Your subscription supports our content production. Until next time, stay healthy, stay motivated, and remember, you've got this.